Shab-e Barat, a night of forgiveness, is a major Islamic festival. It is celebrated on the 15th of Shaban. On this night, Muslims collectively worship and ask for forgiveness of their wrongdoings. People stay awake and offer prayers and nawafil. It is believed on this night Allah decides the fortune of every creature of the earth. On Shab-e Barat night, people offer prayers to their ancestors who have left this world. According to the belief, on this night Allah comes to settle accounts with his loved ones. On the day of Shab-e Barat, people make sweet and delicious food and distribute among people. People also donate money to poor and needy ones. This day has a great value in Muslims' lives.